Oh, they all get excited, jump up and start singing. I was thinking, hey, that's kind of like me and my Filipino family when you guys play the electric slide. We all get excited. Start
you missed it. You should have been here earlier.
I know, right?
To help your brother.
Family and friends, thank you so much for coming. Can we do one more? All right. Do one more. What a way to spend the day. Yeah? Beautiful family, beautiful friends, all of grinds, wonderful people, and some delicious music. From the island of Kauai, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, please show some love for Na Hoku Hanohano Award-winners, Kupaoa.
We're going to invite our beautiful friend Puni back up to join us for this final number for you folks. And you know, this is a song that we love. We love this song.
It's a fun song. Song that we learned was born out of kind of a trying, kind of a sad time, but you know, the songwriter spun it to be a positive message in this song. It's called Bumbye. And you guys, we don't need to explain Bumbye to you guys.
But this is our favorite song of ours, and the message in it, the underlying message is, today is yesterday's Bumbye.
So don't wait. Don't wait for anything.
Yes, don't wait, because
especially those that you love.
Because you never know what tomorrow will bring. So we're going to do this final number for you again. Once again, thank you for joining us here at the beautiful Bishop Museum at the Grow Hawaiian Festival. And it's been our pleasure to share our music with you. Lots of great entertainment coming up. But once again, on behalf of all three of us, hallelujah, this is Bumbye.
Vela vela o ke ava kea o ka lama o e mala mala mai ka poa e ke ia kupuala Bumbye e ke ana auia o e Bumbye kini o ka ua Bumbye ko ka haku mau noi Bumbye ai awa nei maka puna na pumeha na o ko aloha uponoa e ka purua Mama ke ole ia Bumbye e ke ana auia o e Bumbye kini o ka ua Bumbye ko ka haku mau no e Bumbye ai awa nei haina ia mai ana ka uana ke tuine o ka Bumbye haina o mai me ke aloha no hula ni e inoa
See you folks, Bumbye. Aloha.
Family and friends, before she puts on her slippers and runs away, also want a nice round of applause for the beautiful hula dancer Puni over here. Wow, sis, thank you very much. Kellen, Līhau, Kupaoa.